New public release of Gemini 1.5 Pro allowed you to analyze the videos, up to 1 hour content of video. I'm Tom D, and in this AI news I'm going to check it out, how it works in reality. Here I have a chat view. You can upload the video right here, upload, browse, and here is my video I recorded about Twitter Grok 1 model. And let's see, it's 300 megabytes. The video is few minutes, it's not long video. Let's see how it will work. Keep on loading this video after uploading. It's showing like loading, even I got the warning from the web browser that Firefox is slowing down. After a few minutes it is uploaded, so I can type enter to see what's going to happen. Can't see anything, it disappeared. What this video is about. I don't see anything here. Okay, I will try to clear up browser data and try it again. Still no success. I will try a different web browser. Maybe Brave will be successful. After trying multiple times with Firefox, I give up. I switched to Brave and downloaded the file. This is a smaller version. This is 80 megabytes. Okay, finger crossed. Yeah, it's working in Brave. So don't use Firefox. Go directly to Brave. Maybe Google Chrome. I am not using Google Chrome. More or less, it's matching what I was discussing in this movie. There is no audio support right now for the videos, so it's only analyzed. I guess it's doing OCR over the image, over the frames of that video. Yeah, it's more or less the same in Grok 1 Twitter. I struggle with different kind of error, but there was something mentioned about CUDA from NVIDIA, so I give some points to this analysis. What about quality of the video? The quality of video is good. Okay, I got the message that the audio is not supported, but now it's saying that audio is clear. So maybe it doesn't analyze the audio, but it's just judging the quality of audio. I don't know. This you can write down in the comments if you know about this, because I don't know. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching that. If you want more such video, remember to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.